Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Monday, July 21st. Pretty comfortable temperatures right now to start the new work week here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Low 60s are common in some of the suburban areas of the big cities along I-95, following yet another comfortable weekend with pleasant temperatures and humidity levels. We've had a pattern repeat itself many times this summer with comfortable temperatures and humidity over the weekend, then a buildup of heat and humidity in the early to middle part of the week, followed by another cold front just in time to bring in more refreshing air for the next weekend. And indeed, it looks like that pattern could very well repeat itself again this week, as Wednesday is likely to be the warmest day of the week. Then a frontal system pushes its way towards the Mid-Atlantic region, perhaps some shower and thunderstorm activity late Wednesday into Thursday. And then as long as the front keeps on moving and doesn't stall along the East Coast, it looks like refreshing air will return to the Mid-Atlantic region at the end of the week, just in time for the upcoming weekend. Well, let's take a look at the current surface map. High pressure basically is still in control here in the I-95 corridor. This will tend to slip off the northeast coast over the next 12 to 24 hours or so. That will allow a warmer, more humid air mass from the southwest to move into the Mid-Atlantic region. Again, nothing excessive, no extreme heat expected, perhaps 90 degrees on Wednesday, maybe a little bit above that along the I-95 corridor. But here we go again, another cold frontal system upstream across the northern plains, high pressure in western Canada starting to push to the south and east. It looks like this front arrives in the Mid-Atlantic region Wednesday night and Thursday. Should continue to move on through and get on out of here in time for the upcoming weekend with yet another refreshing air mass for the Mid-Atlantic region being felt around here Friday and Saturday. Again, as long as that front keeps on moving, it looks like odds favor it to keep on moving rather than stalling along the East Coast later this week. We'll continue to monitor that over the next couple of days. Well, here's the latest infrared satellite imagery loop from the SSEC Wisconsin website. Clouds did prevail over the weekend in the Mid-Atlantic region. There were many times where it was mostly cloudy up and down the I-95 corridor. You can see some low clouds this morning. Certainly down in D.C. it's relatively cloudy right now, kind of a mix of sun and clouds in southeastern Pennsylvania. It'll be partly sunny to perhaps mostly cloudy down along the D.C. metro region. Some higher clouds can be seen here down across southeastern part of the country, and indeed there are some showers and thunderstorms. An outside chance that a shower or thunderstorm makes it all the way to the D.C. metro region, but for the most part today should be a rain-free day. Some clouds out here already associated with that next frontal system, and a high pressure building in western Canada should work its way all the way southeast to the East Coast by the end of the week. Well, here's the current radar loop. There's a scattering of a sprinkle or two out across south central Pennsylvania and some more impressive showers across the southern part of Virginia. Again, there's an outside chance that a shower or a thunderstorm sneaks its way into the D.C. metro region later today, but odds are against that, and it looks like it should remain rain-free throughout the day in the Mid-Atlantic region. Again, clouds can certainly prevail at times. Mostly cloudy this morning in D.C. and partly sunny for the most part across southeastern Pennsylvania. But for the most part, it looks like it should remain rain-free as high pressure continues to hang on along the northeast U.S. coastline. Well, let's take a look at some computer forecast maps. This is using last night's 0Z NAM model run, and again, kind of a typical pattern that we've had this summer where comfortable weekend conditions give way to a gradual buildup in heat and humidity, and then another cold frontal system arrives around the middle part of the week with some showers and thunderstorms, and refreshing air returns at the end of the week. And again, it looks like that'll happen again. This is the forecast map for this evening, Monday evening. High pressure slipping off the northeast coast. A couple of showers could work its way all the way up across D.C. and into central Pennsylvania. Nothing on the heavy side, and should be mainly rain-free, if not completely rain-free, up and down the I-95 corridor. But again, an outside chance at a shower, perhaps an isolated thunderstorm in the D.C. metro region across central part of Pennsylvania. Meanwhile, out in the northern plains, low pressure with its associated cold front getting ready to move southeast towards the East Coast. Well, let's jump 24 hours ahead to Tuesday evening, again using last night's 0Z NAM model run. kind of a similar forecast for Tuesday in that there can be an isolated shower or thunderstorm, but for the most part a rain-free day. Certainly more humid than today and a little bit warmer than today as that high pressure pushes off the east coast. Our low-level winds will come out of the southwest on Tuesday, promoting a little bit of a warm-up and certainly a little bit more in the way of humidity. Meanwhile, out in the middle part of the country, here we go, the cold frontal system working its way across the middle part of the country, backed up by yet another Canadian high-pressure system. Well, let's jump ahead another 24 hours to Wednesday evening. That cold front pushes right into the mid-Atlantic region. High pressure continues to push to the south and east across south-central Canada. A refreshing air mass over the Great Lakes by late Wednesday. But here in the mid-Atlantic region, we'll have the chance for some showers and thunderstorms, perhaps even a few strong thunderstorms. Late Wednesday night into Thursday, hopefully that frontal system continues to push to the south and east, paving the way for more refreshing air to return to the mid-Atlantic region at the end of the week and perhaps just in time for the next weekend, the upcoming weekend. We'll continue to monitor this over the next couple of days here at the SIweather.com. That's it for now. For the SI Weather, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.